In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Reddit thread formatting tricks. When you're posting on Reddit, the way your text looks can make a huge difference in how easy it is to read and how likely people are to respond. Even if you're just leaving a quick comment, using simple formatting can help your ideas stand out and feel more organized. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you from the very first click, all the way to understanding how the basic formatting tools work in a typical Reddit post or comment box. To get started, open Reddit and decide where you want to say something. You can either create a brand new post or reply to someone else by leaving a comment. Look for the button or area that says something like Create Post if you want to start a new thread, or click into the comment field underneath an existing post if you just want to join the conversation. Both options will open up a text editor where you can type and format your content. Once you've clicked on Create Post or tapped into the comment box, you'll see on-screen prompts and controls that guide you. These might include a title field for posts, a larger text area for your main content, and a small toolbar above the text area with icons for things like bold, italics, links, and more. Take a moment to hover over or tap those icons so you understand what each one does. For example, some buttons will insert special characters around your text, while others will open a small window where you can paste a link or preview your formatting. As you follow the prompts on screen, Reddit often gives you hints or placeholders like, "What are your thoughts?" or "Add a title." These are gentle reminders about what belongs where. Make sure your main idea or question is clearly written in the main text area, and use the formatting buttons to break up long paragraphs, emphasize key words, and keep everything readable. If there's a preview option, use it to double check how your post or comment will actually appear once it's live. When you're happy with how everything looks, scroll to the bottom of the editor and look for the button to post, comment, or save. Click that and your formatted text will appear in the thread just the way you set it up.